Hey guys, we are sitting getting gas in Sheetz in Dixon City. And coming down the highway, it is a complete whiteout. It is crazy out here. The plows are out. We saw some police officers out here and a lot of nutty people who think it's okay to be out here. It is really bad. If you do not have to go out, stay home. I feel like I'm in a huge snow globe. We have been out 8 hours today. We have not been home since noon. And then this morning we were out plowing and doing snow removal. That was from 4 until 8. So a total of 12 hours. And this is happening now, and it's just a little bit after 8 o'clock tonight. And coming down Route 6, you can barely see any of the roads. So it's hoping and guessing. I'm just going to sit here and let you enjoy being in the snow globe with me. This is definitely not a time that you would want to be needing gas, but because we've been out so long, we figure we'd get it on the way home, because we're probably going to go home, wake up at 3 a.m. again, and be out here again by 4. And some places they are predicting up to 2 inches an hour. So we are just hoping and praying to get home safely, especially going down Route 6, hopefully to Kaiser, and then to home. Now we are not even moving, and that's how fast the wind is and the snow is coming down. So if any of you have to go out, unless it's an absolute emergency, stay home, because chances are you'll get stuck. And as fast as it slows down, it starts back up again.